In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page step by step. Anyone can do this, even if you're brand new. A Facebook page helps customers find you, learn about your services, and connect with your brand. First, log into your personal Facebook account. You need this to create a business page. Once you're signed in, click the menu icon and choose Pages. Then select Create New Page. You'll now enter your business details. Start with your page name. Pick something simple and clear so people can easily search for you. Next, choose a category that best describes your business. Facebook will show suggestions, but you can search for your own as well. After that, add a short description that explains what your business offers. Now fill in your business information. Add your hours so customers know when you're open. If your business has a physical location, type in your address, include your phone number, email, or website if you have one. These details help people reach you quickly. Next, upload a profile picture. This is usually your logo, but if you don't have one, choose a photo that represents your business well. After that, add a cover photo. This large banner image at the top of your page should match your brand and create a strong first impression. You can update these anytime. Now, set up your action button. This button encourages people to interact with your page. Choose from options like Book Now, Call Now, Contact Us, or Send Message. Pick the one that matches your main goal. Once everything looks good, click Create Page. Now go to the About section. Add a short but engaging description of your business. Let people know what you do, what makes you unique, and how they can benefit from your services. You can include your mission, highlights, or any important information that helps visitors understand your brand quickly. To grow your page, invite your friends to like it. Share your page link with customers, followers, or website visitors. Posting a welcome message is a great way to introduce your business and start building engagement. If you want to reach more people, you can explore Facebook ads. Go to the ad center inside your page. Here you can set your budget, choose your audience, and create simple ads that help you get more visibility. Pick your goal, whether it's more visits, more bookings, or more awareness, then publish your ad. Once your page is active, posting regularly is important. Share valuable content like updates, tips, offers, or behind the scenes clips. Engage with comments and messages to build trust and keep your audience interested. Use insights to track your results. Insights show how your posts perform, how your audience grows, and what people engage with the most. Use this information to improve your content and understand what your audience likes. That's it. Your Facebook business page is ready. Keep it active, keep it updated, and you'll start seeing real growth.